At AdventureWorks, you have a task that needs separate analysis for 3 main bike product categories. You soon realize that to complete the task, you're creating the same query 3 times, the only difference being the change to the bike category. It's inefficient to completely rewrite queries whenever there's a minor change in the data or a slightly different question from management. What if there was a way to create adaptable, reusable queries? There is. The Query Parameters feature in Microsoft Power BI allows you to define one query that can be easily adjusted to handle different categories or variables. This video will help you understand the concept of query parameters in Power BI. It explains how to effectively implement and manage query parameters. Let's learn how query parameters can make your data analysis tasks more efficient and adaptable. Query Parameters in Power BI is a powerful feature that allows users to input a value, which is then used in the data retrieval process from a data source. Essentially, it's a placeholder for information that can change. The query parameter can be used in various operations, such as filters, transformations, or creating new columns and tables. Let's explore some possible uses of query parameters at AdventureWorks. AdventureWorks can use query parameters when connecting to its database to retrieve specific information rather than importing the entire dataset. For instance, AdventureWorks can establish a query parameter for a sales date range. By inputting the dates, Power BI will only fetch data for that period, saving resources and time. Parameters can also be used in AdventureWorks data transformations. If there's a need to frequently adjust a specific value in the transformations, using a parameter avoids manual changes each time. The value only needs to be updated in the parameter. Parameters can control filters on AdventureWorks data. If the company wants viewers of a report to concentrate on a particular product category, they could create a parameter for the product category. This allows the viewer to select the category they're interested in, and Power BI will adjust the report accordingly. Now, let's explore creating query parameters in Microsoft Power BI. First, you'll need to open the Power Query Editor in Power BI. To do this, go to the top left corner of the Power BI desktop interface. There is a set of tabs in a ribbon layout. One of these tabs is Home. Select this Home tab. Once you are in the Home tab, select Transform Data. This action will open the Power Query Editor. In the Power Query Editor, go to the Home tab. Select the Manage Parameters option. This opens the Manage Parameters dialog box, where you can create parameters. To create a new parameter, select New. Now you are able to name your parameter and define its properties. For instance, you might name it Product Category Filter. Under Type, from the drop-down menu, select Text as the data type. Next, specify what values this parameter can take. From the Suggested Values drop-down menu, choose List of Values. In the input field that appears, create your list by entering the different product categories from your data set. Therefore, the values here are such items as mountain bikes, road bikes, and touring bikes. Once you've filled in these details, select OK. Then OK again in the Manage Parameters dialog to return to the Power Query Editor. Query parameters can significantly enhance your Power BI reports, making them more flexible and interactive. Parameters enable efficient data retrieval and transformation by allowing for dynamic changes, helping you cater to evolving business needs without having to rewrite entire queries. The more adaptable your data analysis tools are, the more capable you become in meeting your organization's ever-changing demands. This makes your work more efficient and enables you to provide valuable insights that can guide your company's decision-making processes. Keep exploring, keep learning, and embrace the power of query parameters in Power BI to improve your analysis.